Take a deep breath in and out. Picture yourself outside, sitting in a peaceful spot with your dog by your side. Feel the warmth of the sun, the soft earth beneath you, and your dog's steady presence, calm and unhurried. With each breath, allow yourself to relax deeper, releasing the tension in your body. Now think about the challenges you may be facing. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, imagine them as waves in the distance, big but not insurmountable. Just like your dog remains steady and grounded, you can find that same sense of stability within yourself, even when the world feels a little chaotic. Take a slow breath in and release any worries. Feel the strength within you, quiet but unwavering, ready to handle whatever comes your way. You have everything you need to rise above it. Just like your dog, calmly trusting that each new step is manageable. Carry that peace and strength with you, knowing you are capable of facing anything the day may bring.